Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see what is left join, how left join work, and we will understand left join with the help of one Venn diagram and with the help of one example. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started with this video. As you can see on your screen, there is a one Venn diagram of left join. There are two tables, table 1 and table 2. So left join generally work where the tables are two or more than two tables. Left join is used to return all the data or records from table 1 plus match records of table 2. So you can see there is a table 1, this circle indicates the table 1 and this circle indicates the table 2. So in left join what you will get, you will filter out the records of table 1 plus the match records of table 1 and table 2. So this will indicate the match records and this circle will indicate the table 1. So you will get the whole data from table 1 plus match records from table 2. Now we will understand this left join with the help of one basic example. You can see we are currently in localhost phpMyAdmin. There is one database with name Letsfindcourse. As left join work for two or more than two tables, so there are two tables, customer table and order table. In customer table there are 4 columns and 4 records. In order table there are 4 columns and 3 records. Now we will understand left join with the help of one basic example. We are selecting all the columns from customer tables, applying the left join on order table on customer.id is equals to order.customer.id. So here we will match customer ID from both the tables and then we will see what will be the output. So when you go with this query, you can see we get the whole data from table 1. Though table 1 is our customer table, so ID name as salary is from customer table, we get whole set of data as you can see. And now the match record from table 1 and table 2. So match record will be first row will be matched, fourth row will be matched, and again the fourth row will be matched. So we will get the match record, and where the data is not matched, so second and third customer ID is not present in customer table, so we will get null values over here, while first and fourth customer ID is present in order table, so the customer ID got matched and we get the data for first and fourth customer ID. As you can see, this is the table 1, we get whole set of data and the customer ID match for first, for first customer ID it got matched, for fourth customer ID it got matched, for second and third customer ID it doesn't match, so we will get null value. So in this way left join will work. We will get whole set of data from table 1 and the match record between table 1 and table 2 we will get as an output. Now you can apply the columns also, where in previous example we have select the star. Now if you want, you can select the specific columns also. Suppose I want to select only name from customer table and order date from order table. So when you select both the column name from customer and apply the left join on order table based on the customer ID, when you go with this query, you can see Arif has ordered on this date, Mohammed has ordered 2 times, and the other customers haven't ordered any, haven't placed any orders, so there will be a null value. So in this way left join work, and in this way left join will help you to analyze the data from more than 2 tables, 2 or more than 2 tables. So in this video, this is a basic video regarding left join, how left join work. You can try this functioning in your localhost phpMyAdmin, and when you try it will clear your concept regarding left join. For this video, this is it. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thought video, what you think about this video. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video with your friends, with everyone who wants to learn left join. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you in our next video.